Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 16b. Practice of Suratul Falaq verses 1 and 2. Let's take Tajweed tip number 16. Warm up your muscles. Just like you prepare for sports, you warm up your muscles for three areas. Lips, tongue and throat. What about lips? For wow, wa. Don't say va, va, va. Wa, wa. We have been saying that. And then you have to use your lips for dhamma, like a'udhu. Don't say a'u, u. You can say without making your lips round, a'udhu, right? Na'budu. And there are so many words in Suratul Kafirun, a'budu, ta'budun, and so on. You can practice that. And also you can recite the poem for the whole practice of throat and tongue movements. Let's take the verse now. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل, don't say خل, don't say كل, say قل, repeat. قل, 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 قل. أعوذ, we saw this before also. A should be clear, U should be clear, and dhu, right? And make sure to make your lips round. Repeat. أعوذ, أعوذ, أعوذ. Again. أعوذ بربي. It's not بربي. Ra is thick. Ra. Okay. So repeat. بربي. 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 برب الفلق. When you stop there is qalqala. Don't say falaq. No. falaq. Right. So repeat. falaq. 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 Again. فلق. Let's take the verse. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. Again. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. Next verse. من شر ما خلق. من شر. There is إخفاء or hiding of noon. Don't say من شر. No. من شر. You have to suppress the noon and just repeat the way I say it. Repeat. Min shar, min shar, min shar, min sharri. When ra has kasra, it will be min sharri. That is thin. Okay. Ma khalaqa. When you stop there, again qalqala is there. By the way, khalaqa, kha is thick and high, not very thick like sadda, tada. Kha is here, thick and high. It is isti'la harf. And la is here. Kha, la, qa. But if you stop, kha, la, qa. Alright. So repeat. Khalaqa, 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 khalaqa. Let's take the verse now. Min sharri ma khalaqa. Min sharri ma khalaqa. Again. Min sharri ma khalaqa. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.